Hi everyone, my name is Ben. Welcome back to the channel. And this one, we're going to take a look at the model junior resource stock portfolio that we started on March 23rd of this year. And the purpose of this portfolio is to show potential investors how these junior resource companies move over a time frame of around 3 to 5 years is the idea here. And it's really just for educational purposes only. It's not buy or sell recommendations. So let's take a look at the portfolio. So the golds are in yellow, the silvers are here in the silver color, and then these are the coppers, two copper stocks. And so the portfolio, it has performed well. We're up 95%, and that's again since March 23rd of this year. We're keeping up with the index here. gdxj is our benchmark, and it's also up 95% in the same time frame. So just keeping up with the index, maybe a little bit disappointing on that metric. A couple of notable laggards are Galway Metals. Stock is having a hard time getting some traction. They do have some catalysts coming up in the next 6 months. So in a little while, they're going to do a PEA, and they're going to have a resource update as well on another one of their properties. Equity Metals as well has been a laggard. I'm not really sure why. They've had some decent press results out. The last couple of have been pretty good, but just the market hasn't been buying equity metals for some reason. And a couple of the outperformers are Kessel Run and Lahontan. They're up around 250% each in those two gold explorers. Southern Silver did have some interesting news out. They hit a big hole of around 10.5 meters of over 1,000 grams per ton. So that shot their stock up. It actually hit around 60 cents. I believe it was the high. That was yesterday. And so it's going to be one to keep an eye on. I think all the pieces are in place for Southern Silver. They do have very good management. They got some mine builders on their team as well. And their deposit is in Mexico, and Mexico has issued an underground mining permit to a company called Silver Tigers. So a lot of the stars are lining up for Southern Silver exploration, and the stock is starting to move higher and show a little bit of outperformance here lately. So the markets are also in a kind of corrective phase or a sideways move, a consolidation. And so could be a little bit of more of a back and forth market here for a little while, but I do think ultimately the junior resource stocks break higher in terms of the broader market, and gold, silver, and copper, I believe, will break higher as well. All right, guys, that's it for now. So, not financial advice. I do own shares in most of those companies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.